In this video series, we walk you through the dashboards of our demo BI application. This demo covers a wide range of dashboards on billings, revenues, sales, marketing, customers, and many more based on a simulated company which is selling subscriptions. Understanding the behavior of subscription customers is key to managing your customer base. Are cohorts getting better over time? Do customers behave differently in different regions or between different acquisition channels? How is the revenue retention affected by churn and upsell? These and many more questions can be answered with this customer dashboard. Let's start with the Customers Overview tab. The bar chart shows the number of customers that generated revenue in each month, broken down by customer category. Throughout the dashboard, you can filter data by months, regions, and customer categories, providing you with precise insights tailored to your needs. In all the next tabs, customers and the visualizations are structured into monthly cohorts. A cohort consists of all customers starting in a certain month. These numbers stay the same no matter if the customers cancel their subscriptions at some point. Let's go deeper into the data with our Revenue per Customer tab. Starting with the tables, first you can see the cohort size, showing how many customers are in each monthly cohort. Next to it, you can see how much revenue each cohort of customers generated for every month as time goes by. Here, the denominator is always all customers in the cohort, no matter if they churned already. For example, there are 35 customers in the January 2023 cohort. On average, they brought in their first month, January 23rd, €76. In the second month, February 23rd, €75. In third, €77, and so on. Notice that even though the number of customers in a cohort might go down as they churn, the existing customers might spend more. The relationship between these two factors causes the numbers here to fluctuate up or down. What you want to see is that revenues per customer in the first X month go up, so your cohorts get better over time. The chart line on top is simply the visualization of the table so you can easily spot trends. Meanwhile, the cumulative revenue per customers offers a different perspective. Here you can see for every cohort in the x-axis, the contribution in revenues for every activity month marked with a different color. For example, you can see that for some cohorts, the customers are paying more in the third month compared to the second one. Moving to the Revenue Retention tab. The table shows for each monthly cohort the revenue for each month of this cohort in percentage of the revenue in the initial month. As you can see, the initial month is always 100%, and all the following months are related to this. The percentages apply to the complete cohort as well as to the average customer in this cohort. This number covers both churn, lost customers, as well as upsell of retained customers. If the upsell prevails, the number will be above 100%. Next, in the Customer Retention tab, witness the ebb and flow of customer loyalty. As customers naturally churn over time, this table illustrates the declining share of retained customers within monthly cohorts. Rows showcase the percentage of retained customers after 1, 2, 3 months, offering a vital perspective on customer engagement and retention strategies. The cohort always starts with 100% in its first month, and then it is normally expected to go down as customers churn. As occasionally customers might come back, the share can grow compared to the previous month, but it cannot be more than 100%, which represents the total number of initial customers. Meanwhile, in the last two tabs, a different logic is applied where the KPIs are calculated per remaining customer, hence ASP. Moving on to the ASP per customer, we explore the average selling price per customer within specific cohorts. This metric, focusing on the revenue of remaining customers, provides insights into customer value over time. Please note that the denominator here is not the initial number of customers in the cohort. Lastly, in our Change in ASP per customer, tab reveals shifts in customer spending behavior. Like ASP per customer, this metric evaluates average revenue from remaining customers within cohorts, emphasizing changes over time. And there you have it, a deep dive into the intricacies of our customer dashboard, your compass in navigating the ever-changing landscape of customer data. Armed with these insights, you're not just making decisions, you're crafting strategies, refining approaches, and sculpting the future of your business. If you're interested in exploring this and the other dashboards featured in this demo on your own, it's simple. Just visit freedemo.qmantic.com, where you can easily sign up for a free demo account. And if you find that a similar dashboard could benefit your own company, don't hesitate to get in touch with us at contact@qmantic.com.
If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more easy-to-understand business tips.